Children, that is me and my daughter, and I am teaching her a new topic called lines. You can also have a look at this video. Now we have learnt about shapes in our previous video, but did you know that shapes are created by connecting the lines? There are different types of lines depending on their positions and shape. Let us have a look at these lines first. The first line that you see out here are horizontal or sleeping lines. Your English exercise book have horizontal lines or sleeping lines. The second one are called vertical or standing lines. And the third one are called slanting lines. All these lines are called straight lines. We use them to create various shapes such as a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. Now look at these lines. These are curved lines. We use curved lines to draw shapes like a circle and an oval. Now let us look at some capital letters that are formed using straight and curved lines. Look at the letter S first. It is made of a curved line. Now look at the letters P and D. They are made of a straight line and a curved line. Now look at a few objects that are made of lines, curved lines. The rim of a plate and mug are examples of curved lines. Look at this leaf carefully now. It has curved lines and a straight line. So children, now since we've learnt all about straight lines and curved lines, let us do this exercise on page number 88 by drawing lines using the dots given there. The first line that you see is a standing line, and you can see the two dots here. You must always use a ruler to draw straight lines. So here from the first dot to the second dot, we get a straight line. The second is a sleeping line. So here we draw from one dot to another dot, which becomes here sleeping line. And the third one here is a slanting line. There are two dots here too. So you need to slant your ruler and then join the dots, and you get a slanting line here. Next, they are asking you to draw designs formed by straight lines. You can see a design here. You can see a slanting line which has made a design. So you can draw any kind of a design here. Okay, like I've drawn L. Let me draw a mountain design. Okay, here. This is another design of mine. So you can draw different kinds of designs. The second ones are telling you to make closed shapes formed by straight lines. So here the first one that they have shown is a triangle. You can draw another shape, maybe a square or a rectangle. Now the last part of the exercise shows us some curved lines with open ends. Can you see these curved lines? Open ends means it is not closed, it is open. You can extend this line or stretch this line into as long as you want. Okay, and the second curved lines are closed shapes, meaning all these are closed curved lines. You cannot extend this, it is all closed. Another example, another shape formed by a closed line is a heart. Yes children, I'm sure you know how to draw hearts. So this brings us to the end of the exercise. Now with that children, we move on to the exercise in a maths notebook. We begin by writing the heading geometry, and below geometry we write straight and curved lines. Don't forget to write the date on the left hand corner. After that you'll write a note which says there are different kinds of lines that we can draw with the help of a ruler, as I told you. The first one is a sleeping line which is drawn with a ruler. The second is a standing line which is also drawn with the help of a ruler, and the third is a slanting line in which you have to slant the ruler as I had shown before. The next are the curved lines, and these are lines which are drawn without a ruler. Yes? Now let us look at the exercises. Look at the following letters and answer the questions. These are the letters of the alphabet: F, O, V, S, B, C, D, P, Q, X, L. Now the questions are, which of the letters are made of A, straight lines only? Which are the letters which are made of straight lines only? Straight lines F, X, L and V. Which of the letters are made of curves only, of only curved lines? It is S, there is an O which is made of curved line, and C. And the third one, which of these letters are made of both straight lines and curves? That is, here we have the letter P, the letter B, the letter Q and the letter D. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.